I think this video will be really interesting because never in my life have I ever been this long without eating fast food or get takeout from like the main fast food places. I don't know exactly when the lockdown started in the UK, but it's been that long since I've eaten at these fast food places. So right now I'm at a place where there's literally every chain like McDonald's, Dominos, KFC. Oh my god, I don't even remember how good it was. I don't even remember the menus. Like I usually know that by heart. I feel like a 3-year-old at a theme park. Actually, I feel like myself at a theme park. The reason why I haven't been to fast food places is because in the UK, they've been closed for a long time. Like McDonald's has only opened like maybe a month and a half ago. And what I've been trying to do is I've been trying to order more from like local places. I got a lot of Indian, Chinese takeout, but from smaller restaurants that they could be struggling during the pandemic. And it was great. Like the food was really good. I feel like I got to try a lot of things that I normally wouldn't try, which was great and I loved it. But also I need fast food right now. Like this is a serious addiction and I'm about to dive in. I think it's been 6 months, maybe even longer, since I've eaten a lot of these foods. It's weird because I'm excited for it because of the memories of eating these foods, but also like my body doesn't crave it anymore. We're gonna crave it after today. I'm at this car park that has every fast food like possible, like most of the big ones in the UK, and there's so many things I want to try. My goal is to be strategic about which items to get. If we get like the main key items that I'm missing, I might cry when I pull up to the drive-thru. It's an emotional journey. I can't take myself seriously, but I am excited. We got antibacterial for your hands, so we are fully prepared here. I was gonna splash more for dramatic effect, then I realized I'm running out. That was like a $20 splash. Oh, we got spray and wear. This is like, I'm not playing here. So what should the first stop be? I think the thing that I'm craving the most is KFC. I've almost forgotten how good their fried chicken is. So I want to go for like a chicken tender. Oh, that's gonna be so good. And also, Starbucks. Let's just go and do it because this is a lot for my heart. I'm like, my Apple Watch is like, that's higher than when I work out. So I've just pulled up to KFC and a lot of people apparently had the same idea as me. This is like really busy right now, but I mean, this is worth, like I would be waiting here for 2 weeks if I had to. I feel like I'm having a religious experience and just like, I've just arrived at the church. And that's my Jesus right there. When they ask me what's my order, should I tell them I missed them first or should I do it at the end? Hi, could I get a 4-piece boneless dips? This is the happiest I've ever been. I've waited 6 months for this moment. I kept thinking, what item at KFC do like I missed the most? And I think it was the chicken tenders. Oh, this is so hot. Oh my god, imagine if I spilled out on my legs. It would be worth it. A large gravy. Look at that beautiful piece of fried chicken. I should have just done this at home, but imagine sitting in the car with this incredible smell. It takes a very strong person, and that is not me. A strong person. Oh my god. Oh, that is beauty. Oh my god. This is literally burning the insides of my stomach, but it's worth every bit of it. Wow. Most people go to KFC for like the darker pieces of chicken, but to me it's all about the light, like I don't know, like chicken breast kind of thing. Wow. The way I would go there and just get a burger and everything they have on the menu, but the goal for today is to hit as many foods that I haven't eaten in 6 months as possible. Wow, I really want to cry. I don't know a better chicken. Well, in the UK, we don't have Popeyes. I might have overly done it with the gravy, but sometimes when I've got gravy left, I just... Wow. I think first we should hit up a different fast food place. What are we thinking for the next one? A meatball sandwich from Subway. I think that's what we're gonna do next. That was so weird. Subway is a completely different restaurant now than I remember. I came back with a milkshake, and this is not everything. Wait, let me show you the bag. Wait, let me put the lid on it. This is a Subway shake vanilla made with ice cream. There's no toppings to it. You can only choose between vanilla, chocolate, or something else. They ask you if you want it thick, regular, or thin. I asked for regular because I've never tried it before, so I don't really know what to expect. She said I was the first client to get one. Like, what? When did they start? Oh, and I forgot to mention this. There were so many flies inside. They're like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, I filmed it with my phone because there is no way you'd think that I'm exaggerating. The bread was covered in flies. She opened a cupboard and the flies would just come out. It smells good, so that's all that matters. The second thing, they have hash browns now? I mean... Wow. That... I did not miss that. There are no competition to McDonald's. Like, McDonald's does not have to worry. The main thing that I haven't eaten in 6 months is my favorite Subway sandwich, which is the meatball marinara. And I know everyone's gonna judge me because I didn't ask for any vegetables. I just wanted the bread, the sauce, the cheese, and the meatballs. Garlic and cheese bread, which is the only way to go, so... Wow, I should have checked for flies, but wow, that is really good. Wow. Speechless. This is better than I remembered. I don't know if they changed recipes. I mean, they seem to have changed a lot of things. There was a machine that makes milkshakes. It looked brand new, to be fair, so like, I don't even know. This is like the sauce, like the meatball sauce. I don't know, it makes the bread all soggy. Wow. It's so good. It's so thick. No way. This, I don't know. Is this worth having that machine in there? They had 6 months to improve the menu while they were closed, and they came up with this. The McDonald's milkshakes are cheaper, bigger, because this is only one size. They have more options, at least one more flavored banana. There's the Dominos in front of me. What do I miss the most about Dominos? I'm gonna get an individual pizza because otherwise, I mean, this is becoming a lot of food that I've got to finish later. So I'm thinking of getting maybe an individual pepperoni pizza. That would be good. Here we've got Domino's. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't missed Domino's. I had pizza from like a few like local places around where I live. There's always pizza places around, so I got a lot of pizza locally the past 6 months, but not fast food pizza. So maybe my standards have changed. Maybe I'm a different person. Maybe oh, no, never mind. Never mind. Still trash. It's the way they stack up the pepperoni. Do you see that? I just want to say that on camera, this looks a lot bigger than it actually is. This is the size of a individual pizza in the UK. Individual, maybe if you haven't really developed a taste for solid food. That is... Wow. It is different to like all the pizzas that I got, you know, real pizzas if you call it like that. It's so good still. Just different. I like the dough better in this one. It's like fluffier. It's really good. That pepperoni. Ah. It's saying things. I do have one dip, but I don't like dips in my pizza. You guys know the only dip that I will make an exception for, and I will dip the whole pizza. Like, I would actually prefer the dip over the pizza is Little Caesars in America, the butter dip. That is something that I think about at least once a week. The way I would dip it into that dip. Maybe if I close my eyes, like, nope. The world of possibilities that I see around me. I'm at this car park that literally has every fast food ever, and I haven't eaten any of these in so long. Like all of them. I can't think of one that I've ordered from, because most of them were shut. Hi. Could I please get one portion of the chicken nuggets on its own, please? Could I also get one cheeseburger, please? No, that's everything, thank you. Initially, this was with KFC, the ones that I missed the most. But now once I smelled it, it's like I can remember what it tastes like. I tried to go for one of chicken because, in my opinion, all chicken in McDonald's, it tastes the same. Nuggets, McChicken, it's all the same. So here we got chicken nuggets. Ooh, they're darker than I remembered. Wow, they're better than I remember. Wow, these are really good. McDonald's has been opened, I think, maybe 3 weeks. The reason why I haven't come to McDonald's yet was because when it opened, I didn't want to come bother the people who are working here because, you know, it's not entirely safe. Even now, I did have frozen chicken nuggets at home. Not even close. Oh, McDonald's should do them frozen. I would have to get a bigger freezer. Wow. Oh, I think this is the thing that I might have missed the most ever. Me about every item in this video. Oh my god, speechless. You know what? That cheese, after all these months, it is not gonna go to waste. Oh my god. Oh, the sun reflecting on it. It's like Jesus saw the burger. I saw it too. The light reflecting on it. It's like, have you ever seen a more Instagrammable burger? Probably, but it is McDonald's. It is so good. McDonald's is the cheaper order out of all the things I've ordered so far. And just, it always does it, you know? I think McDonald's is way better in Europe though. Every time I'm in America, it's like, the way I want to finish the whole thing, but we're not done for this video. I don't know, we're gonna do maybe a few more, I don't know. I think we should do a part 2, so if you guys want to watch that, you know what to do. I really hate to be like one of those annoying, like this video people. That's the only way to know whether you guys want to watch more or not. Like, I don't know. Anyways. Oh. Let's go to Starbucks. I've been mentioning Starbucks for the past 6 months.
Sorry, 1 second, please. Hi, welcome to Starbucks.
Hi, have you got the banana bread?
Yeah?
Could I get one of the banana bread with the frappuccino? Yeah, that's everything, thank you.
Thank you. Come first.
I was kind of excited for food at Starbucks because, I mean, it's been a long time, and also for a frappuccino because I don't even crave a frappuccino normally. Like, you guys can probably count the amount of times you've seen me enjoy a frappuccino. Not that many. This is a Java chip frappuccino. Wow. All the chocolate chips, like crunchy. It's like a crunchy surprise. It's a lot sweeter than I remember. I mean, I'm not complaining, like zero complaints, but. So I wanted to get the banana bread warm, but there was such a long queue behind me, in front of me, that I just felt like kind of awkward asking for it because they probably had so much work. What's that white stuff? Do you see that white stuff? Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get home and warm this up like in the microwave, but I'm gonna have a bite here just for the sake of it. I wish this was microwave though, it'd be so much better. Or like warmed up. I think they mean microwave. This combination is not the most predictable one. I can't taste the raisins. It just tastes good. A weird combo, but I love it. The sun is setting. I feel like I physically will not be able to put more food into my body than I've bought, and that was a lot of items. So if you guys want to watch a part 2, please do let me know because I would love to. There's so many things like Burger King. I haven't eaten it for probably like since December of last year. Let me know if you guys want to watch that. If you do, please don't forget to give the video a like. Also, thank you to those of you who subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of cake content coming up, but I wanted to throw in something different. Just, I don't know, like, I know some of you guys like when I do these kind of like mukbang videos, and I love them as well. I love you guys. I hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to subscribe, switch the notifications on before you go, and that's about it. I love you, and I will see you on my next video, which is hopefully going to be 2 to 3 days. I love you. Bye bye.